Yo, what's up, everybody? Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Sorry about all the background noise. That's just the flow bar going off. I'll go ahead and lower that for you guys, though, if that's too loud. Sorry if I sound tired. I haven't slept at all last night, or just in general, I haven't slept. Yeah, I've been up since yesterday's market open. Yeah, that's just flow coming in, man. So, just telling me what's moving, what isn't. But give me one sec. We're closing the FCX position. If you guys opened it with me at 97 cents, we're going to go ahead and close it out right here at 156. Super cheap contract. Okay, little delay right there. Oh, sorry, bought it at 179. We're going to sell it at 156 if this wants to fill. That'd be fucking lovely. Sorry for my French. I really don't know how Kyle runs these things over here. Yeah, flow algo basically. What's good, Matt? What's happening? Alright, so now we got those closed out. We're going to go ahead and take profit on FCX at 156 for 98% return. That's just how we do swings out here, you know what I mean? Glad to finally get those closed out. Those were one hell of a ride. Just to show you what it looks like and what we rode. Basically, we got English. We got the entry right here around this 21 mark right here, and we rode it all the way up to 22.79 for a 98% return on the shit penny stock. That's probably my favorite thing about trading low cap, small cap stocks is that you really don't need much of a move for a 100%er. They're pretty easy to get. But glad we could go ahead and get that position off at last. And so far, we're just looking at Baba today, and I'm looking for a price target literally to get this contract at the or in the money at 270. But realistically, the support's at 270, 158. So we're probably gonna want to look out for this level right here. So I'll get these pre-market levels as well. Yes, they are relevant, believe it or not. I don't care what anybody tells you. They're relevant. But other than that, today we're looking at Square, since we did open position yesterday, and obviously it is obviously going to be down, considering we're already below yesterday's open. Looking at JD with that huge pump as well, pump and dump. Pilter had a nice pump as well. Neil's already trading off right here, looking into setting up its bullish setup for the day as it's pulling back, already creating some foundation. But Chinese stocks does not look like they're doing too healthy this morning, and that is why we are in puts with Baba. Overall, we did see a lot of resistance right here during the pre-market around this level. Let me go ahead and get that marked. Roughly in this general area, and we rejected pretty hard coming to today, so that's why I'm looking bearish on Baba. Overall, you see the price targets right there. That's going to be the trade we're looking at for today, at least for now to start our day off. We're already up 39%, not bad, 15 minutes into the day. Up $40 a contract. If you had 10, what is that, $400? Correct me if my math is wrong. That's a 15-minute workday right there. Yeah, I'm honestly thinking we're looking at a bearish day today. Overall, I'm pretty much bear on the market going into winter. Just depending on how what's her fucking name is. What's her name? I can't remember her name. You guys know who I'm talking about. Starts with the P. I don't know why I can't remember it. But they're taking way too damn long on that stimulus. And honestly, the only headline I saw that was promising was probably related into the housing market. But kind of looks like the economy has a pretty good chance at crumbling right here, especially since Powell got called on margin for December. Yanni Yellen? No, 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 no. Here, let me go ahead and get it. Pelosi? Am I saying it right? Yeah, Pelosi. Yep, her. They're taking too long in the stimulus, man. The economy's gonna be done by the time they get that shit out. They're just waiting for they're waiting too long on these job reports and just in general economical data to come out, and it's really setting everything back. Go ahead and get one more trim right here on Baba at 185 or 1.90 for 60%. I want to say the trail stop, but the way we're selling off, I feel like a snapback is going to be way too aggressive and it's going to instantly trigger it. That's really my only concern. And his premiums just had a crazy fucking spike. I kind of feel like there it is. Yeah, I was gonna say, I feel like my trading view is kind of frozen. There's no way Bogo hasn't moved at all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my trail stop right here. The optional, really up to you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and set a 25. Now the volatility is kind of slowing down. Before I go ahead and send that through though, I want to look at the 1 minute. Make sure I don't see any bullish reversals before I send that through. I want to see a rejection right here. My only fear is that all these EMAs are really spread out. I should probably go SPY up too. I'm kind of done looking at filter. And sorry about that, that's Google in the background. Google Home. So I start my mornings with the candle next to me on my desk lit. Gotta keep the peace before the chaos. I was at 167 right now. This will show at 142. Snagging guaranteed $30 profit. A little less. What would it be at? I would like to see the 90 EMA on the 1 minute on the bottom right. Kiss that 21 and then reject it afterwards, bringing us back down. So we could at least get to our price target of 272. And hopefully from there we lead to 270. It's definitely going to be a diamond hand position unless we see that happen right now. And his premiums are leaping, man. Volatility still hasn't settled down yet. I'm not going to add a trail stop just because his premiums get too jumpy with this IV, so don't want to jump the gun or anything. I like this spot right here. I like the way it bounced to that 200. The only thing I don't like is the buying pressure, but sellers are able to hold it consistent. That's really what I'm in favor of right now. Really quick though, let's go ahead and see if we have any important events going on today. Actually, so market watch, economical calendar. Yep. Today's Tuesday, and really we don't have anything going on. Let me go ahead and close this. We have consumer confidence. New York President John Williams speaks. That's gonna be interesting considering they're the ones really taking the lead with COVID. Got Vice Chair Richard Gladila. Okay, showing us price not bad. We don't got nothing crazy going on today. What we could see today, though, is we could see today be as a reaction for tomorrow's jobless claims. We could see that get priced in. Durable good orders, advanced report on trade and goods. That's going to be interesting. New home sales, personal income, and core inflation. So it's looking like a pretty interesting day in my opinion. Let's see. JD is definitely looking more bearish than Baba right here. Looks like there's still some contradiction on this Baba direction here. What I'm really looking at today is Chinese stocks, but I really don't have a Chinese stock playlist, so that's unfortunate. But we're gonna go ahead and get that flow going back. Can't really fully hear it. I'll go ahead and lower it on your guys' end.
XPEV.
I like that curve. I like the way it consolidated into the bell and how it just popped. I like its momentum. I like its cash flow. Its RSI. Its MACD. Overall, I like the trade. I'm going to go ahead and find a decent contract. At least try to. I mean, it's fucking Zoom. These contracts are stupid expensive. If I can't find anything less than $200, that's no more than $30 out the money. I really don't want it, to be honest. And it's not looking like it's happening. Contracts just aren't worth it.
RCL, RTX. ZM, RCL, 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 RCL.
I'm interested to see what Baba does here, though.
GS, 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 MS, GS, MACD, RTX, 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 CCL, GS, CCL, GS, GS, WMKHS, JBLU.
I think it's a pretty fair fight between buyers and sellers.
BAC, MS, GS.
As far as volume goes,
ZM,
looks like seller buyers currently have control. It'll be an interesting play right here. It's going to determine its direction. Low key. If it wants to continue down, it's going to have to bleed from here.
Win, ride, win. ZM, ZM, CCL, CCL, XOM, TM, ZM, ZM, MSCL, XOM, CCL, ZMCL, ZMCL, XOM, CCL, XOM, CCL, RCL, ZM, MS, RCS, RCL, MPL, ORCL.
That's the rejection of VWAP. It kind of looks like everything's turning around though. Zoom's still going off. Already up $3 since I've noticed. If you guys want to get into a Zoom trade, you could definitely scout this for at least another $2 or to 445. But you don't want to get a close contract. Nothing higher than 465, 470 really, but ideally I like to keep my deltas of 0.30. Zoom's just a crazy stock, and it's pretty pricey for day trades in my opinion.
DCL, CCL, ZM, RCL, RCL, CCL, RCL, RCL, CCL, 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 RCL, JWN, Mu, CVX,
CCL going off.
CVX, XPEV, XPEV, CCR, Gold, CCL, CCL, RCL, Oxy, CCL, ORCL, ORCL, Gold.
What are my thoughts on Fastly? Thoughts on CAT with the gap up? Am I still in Walmart and Salesforce? Yes, I am still in Walmart and Salesforce. I'll go ahead and give you my position on that right now. Let's see. Walmart, I'm currently down 42.98%. As far as Crim goes, I'm only down 16% on that. All my current positions that are open from top to bottom, let's start off with what are up. We have pen contracts, all December contracts ranging from 60, 70, 80 calls for December 18th with a total PL of 80% up. We have space calls up 62%, XBEV calls up 53%. You should have trimmed those yesterday when they were up 140. JBHT calls just shot up to 30% from 7%. AMD calls are only up 6%. CAT calls are up 2%. PIN calls are up 0.46%. We already got a healthy trim on those. We just closed the FCX today for 98%. I'm down on Square 11%, Crowd 10%, Crim 16%, SPY puts 16%. These were opened as hedges to our calls. Since I have a pretty hefty call portfolio right now. Shat calls are down 18%, Fastly is down 20%, Walmart 42%. I have my Q hedges as well for long 300 calls as YOLOs. These are down 56%. TSM calls are down 58%. Apple Leaps that I opened a while ago are down 68%. And Tesla calls expiring, or Tesla puts expiring this Friday have gone to shit.
CGC, CCL.
As far as my thoughts on Fastly go, well, we're definitely bouncing off of a support right here that's pretty strong. Well, it was previously a resistance. This was supposed to be my original entry. It was, and I held too long, so now we're right here. It looks like buyers are trying to hold this and turn into support. It's a really nice solid inverted hammer right there with a nice push-up candle following that. Overall, though, realistically speaking, we do need to go ahead and get back above this 83.95 mark. Let's go ahead and just round that to 84 for market psychology. So you want to see above 84 for Fastly calls. As far as CAT goes, there goes my alert. We're us hitting that price target at 176.66 with an entry at 173. As long as we can hold this, we are looking solid, but that is my price target. I just don't know if I want to take 10% profits, which is only roughly $35. As far as Pen goes, Pen looks like it's ripping. I might get into a trade on that, to be honest with you. Then we got Facebook going off now.
Net FB, Net FB, Net FB, Net FB, Win FB, FB, CGC, FCGC.
Honestly, think Pen picked up a lot of momentum this past couple days. I like where RSI is at considering that candle pump. Buyers are looking in a comfortable range. Money flow is coming in. I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and take these Pen calls, to be honest.
XPEV. WKHS.
Oh, that 1 minute. Oh, this 1 minute chart is beautiful. I'm absolutely taking these calls.
XPEV. CGC, Net, VLO, ABBV.
I'm going to go ahead and grab right at the money, these 74 calls. See if I get filled at mid for 152. And it looks like we did. We are lucky campers today.
WFC.
57. 74 call at 1.52. Not even scared of that pullback.
T T
I really like this chart. I like its momentum.
PLTR VLO TYKHS
What is this? This is SPY. Definitely want to keep SPY open. Facebook as well. Boeing is struggling. JD's catching up. Tesla as well. I'm assuming Square as well. Nah, Square looks like it's in the gutter. I don't even want to waste my time with that.
FCX
But not interested in that. Not interested in that. We're going to make this 5 minute. We'll go ahead and make this one. We'll keep that SPY. We'll make this one 15 minute.
Yellow SQ.
And what I'll get down here is pen money flow.
Net.
Let's see if I can just space out these three indicators right here.
INTC, GM, AGM, GM, net,
go with that.
net.
Alright, now let's go ahead and change this.
AGNC, VLO,
It's taking a shit today. Gold is taking a shit. Not gonna do that. We'll go ahead. Boeing's looking like it's gonna be another great scalp if we could get above that 222.
VLO, net. J&J.
FCX,
UAL,
what's near break even right now?
net, J&J, net, AGNC, net, WFC,
Not bad. We'll go ahead and go back to
AGNC, NKLA, AXP, GM,
kind of slowing down a bit. We'll go ahead and
GMS, GM, net, GM, AXP, CVS, DLTR, CVX, JWN, CVX,
I didn't realize I said ENN.
BAC, DLTR. WFC. HYLN. VLO, SLPD, VLO, BP, ENPH. VP.
And pen is green. That's lovely. Any of you guys have any morning routines before you start trading? Golden Sweeps, by the way, just opened for XLE January 15, 2021. Puts 36 strike at $1.12 for the premium. We had 10,000 of those bought. If you guys don't know what XLE, it is the tech sector. IWM puts open for January 15, 2021. 174 strike at $4.41 a piece. 3,100 of those purchased. Just backing up my statement on why I believe the market is bearish. Just follow the smart money. Beautiful fucking candle on pen. See where we could write this up to.
XOM, RCL, MGM, win. Love. Net, pen, EPD, SPG, win, SPG, EPD.
So close to being in the money, baby.
XOM, NKLA, BAC, BAC, EPD, VP, EPD, win, SPG, win, DKNG. Win, net.
When's another trade I've been wanting to go long on, to be honest?
Run.
Again.
LLY. Lee.
Looks like today might be the day.
Net.
Yeesh.
GPS,
Fucking beast.
CGC,
I'm gonna get in right here, bro.
Natly, Nat Uber,
Really don't care.
Uber, Net, SPG, Win, Net, Win, Win, BP, UAL, Net, UAL, SPG,
Open these up for January 15th.
BHC, WFC, WFC,
Practically at 100, so I'll go ahead and get the 115 calls.
XOM, CVX, HAL, CVX, HAL, XOM, CVX, CVX, XOM, CVS, XOM.
And we're in the money.
Net, WFC, WFC, CVS, WFC, DOCU, WFC, COF, GPS, HAL, Net, SQ, FDX, 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 COF, HAL, C, COF, CVS, COF, Net, Net, VA, CVS, HAL, CVS, VA, BIA, COF,
Gonna have to mute my mic right here. I have maintenance right outside my window.
WFC. Pen. WFC. XPEV. BA. 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 WFC. 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 UAL. JBLM. XOL. Net. WFC. 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 WFC.
Alright, close my window. Hopefully that makes a difference. Honestly, I think Boeing's going to be the next move coming up. Just my personal opinion. Take it as you like, not professional advice, financial advice. Like I said, that 22 level.
FB.
That's key right there.
FB.
Facebook's still going off on the scanner.
FB.
Fucking coffee.
FB.
Fan calls are already in the money. That was a beautiful $1 move.
NKLA.
I think we see 76 today. I think we see it fast. I think we see it within this hour, to be honest. We should see it by the end of this hour.
RTX.
You guys could trim right here as well at 1.77 or 1.78 now for 17%. I'll go ahead and lock in that trim.
NKLA.
Pen. That's 1 point.
NKLA.
3, 4.
XPEV. WKHS. NKLA. CBY. Oxy. ORCL. FISV. CCL. Tech. BBY. FCX. FDX. VLO. DKNG. VLO. WDC. VLO. DKNG. SLB. DKNG.
Dan's going crazy.
DKNG. VLO. DKNGS. XOM. DKNG. VLO. DKNG. BBY, FDX, UPS, FDX, XOM, FDX, 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 UPS, FDX, FDX, IBM, IBM, UPS,
IBM, I haven't heard that stock in a fucking minute. I'm not gonna even look at Win anymore. I already got my swing open. I don't even give a shit about what else it does today. IBM, on the other hand, that's looking fucking beautiful without tapping. Like, fuck. That shit is beautiful.
FDX, XPEV.
But the truth is, IBM is a shit stock. I wouldn't waste my fucking time with it.
CBBY, CBBY, XPEV, BBBY.
I've been trading since last year, January, and IBM has never moved between this 120 and 40 range. I can't remember the last time I saw it at fucking 200.
V. ORCL. XPEV. Lee. USB. DOGV. XPEV. VIAC. JPM. MO.
No way, Bitcoin's at fucking $19,400, dude.
MO.
Hey, I learned that shit at 18,700.
MO. VLO. MO.
Fucking up a good amount, bro. Why trade one currency and trade both at the same time?
FDX.
XRP still holding around 64 cents. I don't want to get back in just yet.
FDX. KSS. FDX. BBBY. FDX. FDX. WDC.
There goes Pen once again. Yes, sir.
SPC.
So just to specify what I saw on Pen that was so beautiful, similar to what I saw on Zoom, I like the way it consolidated pre-market into today and just kind of curved up, squeezed up outward. Just go ahead and pull up Zoom so you guys can see that comparison really quick. You can see that kind of consolidated right here, squeezed upward as well. But like I said, Zoom's a lot more on the volatile side. We were able to scalp it to that 435 price target without any hassle. 438 was there as well. So I want to mention CAT. Here's CAT right now, way above that price target we had set. We already had a $4 move on it, or $3 move on it. So I'm probably looking to set my price target again around 178.50 as an official exit target. You guys could probably sell Pen right here. It's starting to hit that top resistance. We're probably going to see a retrace back to 73.72. IBM still going off again. There's that breakout. If you guys didn't see that pattern or were curious as to what you could have done to see it. If you couldn't see it on the 5-minute, you could always switch to the 1-minute. You could definitely see that triangle right there. That's why I always say use all time frames if possible. If you feel like there's something there and you just can't see it, it's most likely there, and you just need to go to a time frame that shows you exactly what you're looking for. And this is what you really like the other looking for.
DDOG. ETSE, XP, ETSE, DDOG, WFC, net, BBBY. Lee. IBM.
And there's Pen pulling back.
IBM. NKLA. FCX.
I really hope it does pull back and bounce off that 73 level. But if we could get this level to turn into a support, go ahead and mark it. There you go, 73.37. Now that would be fucking
AMD.
perfect, and that's right on VWAP. If we get a bounce right
DD.
there and take that straight into EOD 76, swinging this baby, swinging her.
CVS.
But we are getting a lot of signs at the bell to be cautious with our positions with these crazy sell-offs. Take them as warning signs. Take it as people. Well, I shouldn't say people. I should say I'd be more specific when I say that. Take it as banks, wells, investors, private investors, whatever the fuck you want to call it, market makers. Take it as a way of them warning you. Notice how they're taking profit every fucking morning on these gap ups. If they were so confident in the rally, they would just let it ride. So just take it as a warning sign and just be cautious with it. Leverage your positions accordingly. If you don't know how to do that, you could buy SQQQ equity calls, VIX calls. I'm talking about VXX, not VIX. If you don't know the difference, please take your time and do the research. But briefly, VIX is a volatility measurement tool. VXX is the fear gauge. So just keep that in mind. VXX is fear. VIX is volatility.
AMD.
Know the difference. You guys really want to get serious about trading? Take the time to learn about these sectors. By that, I mean you can literally Google sectors. But if not, you can go to this website that I use called Sectors PDR, and it gives you every sector's information. It's fucking beautiful. It's an amazing tool. Use the economical calendar provided by Market Watchlist to see what's going on in the day. See what's coming up. If you really want to start trading with the wells, use the data you have to your advantage. Like we have flow bots. Pay attention to the golden sweeps. People just don't fucking drop a couple $1 million on some bullshit put to lose the money.
HYLN. EBBY. Lee. NKLA. DKNGLA. DKNGLA. NKLA. DKNG. XPEB. CVS. Lee. CVS. CVS. DD. N. CRWD. NKLA. 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 QCO. NKLA. DD. DD. DD.
Buyers just moved back down. Yeah, buyers are not backing down. I like that 15-minute candle. I think this next 15-minute candle is really going to be the one that's going to push us to 76 for a 3-bar play on the 15-minute time frame.
MS. JWN. MS. PYPL. MS. Lee. MS. 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 Chess. QCOM. MAR. WKHS. MS. NKLA. NKLA NKLA BA 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 BA
SBA.
NKLA 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 Oxy URBN
Honestly, I consolidate here.
Oxy BA BA BA
Otherwise,
URBN
it's kind of a
Oxy
fucking pointless
BBY
place, and it's just an emotional one.
PYPL BA BA HYLN BA BA BA
If I stop talking and I don't say anything for
GMKHS
15 minutes, it's because I passed the fuck out of my chair. Straight up. Just being honest. I haven't slept yet. I haven't got coffee yet. And I have a candle lit from Bath and Body Works. That's where my girl works. So, you know, I get the hookups on all those lotions and stuff. But right now, I got aromatherapy lit. Eucalyptus plus spearmint. Natural essential oil. They got some fire shit. No cap. Like, I mean, socks are fully on. But, I mean, I got a couple of the candles. I got the mahogany teakwood high intensity. Honestly, mahogany teakwood is my favorite candle, especially the high intensity one. That one slaps. I got a new one. It's mahogany balsam, something like that. Balsam. I don't know. It's one of their new ones. That one's pretty relaxing and it's nice. I think mahogany just adds a really nice scent to these candles. As far as the lotions go or the body creams, I have Atlantic, Bourbon, Teakwood, Ocean, and aromatherapy with hemp. Teakwood is obviously my favorite. I think that one has like a very strong. Like I don't want to say this without sounding like I have nothing but testosterone running through me right now, but I think that one's like the most masculine scent there is to it. It's very blunt. It's definitely a strong one. I like it. Next to that, I would say Ocean. Ocean's more of like a refreshing one, and Bourbon's more of a like I don't know, dude. I just get like dark lighting vibes from it. Like I don't know how to explain it. But Teakwood and the Ocean would definitely have to be my favorite creams and candles. Mahogany Teakwood for sure.
TMUS TMUS
That candle's still going on VA. It's up 90 cents from the resistance.
ETSC NAM ETSC ETSC MS ETSC ETSC
Sorry if you guys can hear me typing.
MS AIG MS RKT 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 UPS NKLA PLTR UPS 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 AIG 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 UPS UPS FSLR UPS UPS FSLR UPS UPS UNH UNH
Really not planning on making any other trades. Kind of waiting for shit to set up. Kind of definitely want to see some consolidation here before we make that next leg up. Boeing, same thing as well.
ADB, FSLR, 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 FSPWR, FSLR, 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 MDT.
Hey Google, lower music to 2 points.
KLA, NKLA, 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 NKLA,
Alright, what's all the hype behind
NKLA,
NKLA?
NKLA.
I fucked that up. Alright, so sometimes I get questions about how to know when to enter on the resistance break and if it's not a false breakout. So for example, you always are going to hear me say, or probably anybody else who actually knows how to fucking do resistance and support entries. On a resistance breakout, you want to see the candle open below the resistance and close above it. This is a beautiful example. Support, you want to see it open above it and close below it. But what happens in situations like this? Well, ideally what you want to see is, I know my closest support, or ideally my closest support should be right here, because this candle right here is where we saw that rejection. We obviously had heavy sellers here. As we steady climbed back up, we saw some resistance right there, but we saw it turn into a support right here. So ideally what I want to see right here, so I know it's not a fake out, is I want to see it naturally curve all the way back down right here, this 221 support, and make its way back above. Now if it's still struggling, the way you're going to know if it's going to continue or not is this first sell-off wick right here. Go ahead and get an official line going right there so it's not all fucking crooked. Once we get back above this level right here, the rejection off our first breakout candle, we're good from here. Now how do you calculate your price target? The easiest way you can do it would be to go from your support to your resistance. In this case, my support's right here, my resistance is up here. So why is this one my resistance and this one isn't? Because this is the breakout candle and this is where we had our sellers at. We didn't have a breakout at this level. I mean, this is the breakout level, but sellers didn't push it back down below. They waited till this level. So now that I have my range, what I'm gonna do is move it from support to resistance. So I could say my price target officially is 224.94. If I want to be safe, I can just go midway on that. 224.01. That's going to be a trim. You can see it however you like. If you're on TradingView, easiest way to do it is grab this tool right here, long position. You're going to get your entry, and boom, there you have it.
TJX, KR.
Just a couple ways to go about that. Just wanted to share that and get that out there.
TSM,
There's
NKLA,
Pen with the pullback we've been wanting. Well, I have been wanting, been waiting for. NKLA is pumping off of that. You guys could literally feed off of this flow for free. This shit's gold.
TJX, TJX, MDT, pins, NKLA, tags.
If you guys want to cut or hold, I'll let you guys make that decision. I'm honestly thinking about swinging this into tomorrow. I think we could see 80 by the end of the week. But I want to see 75 happen first. Check up on my Bitcoin really quick.
C.
I don't think we made any new highs yet. I think we see all-time highs this week though on Bitcoin. Anybody get the new iPhone yet? iPhone 12 Pro? If so, how do you guys like it? Because I'm really contemplating on getting the Ocean Blue. It's just a really nice color.
FDX, FDX,
I already had
PLTR,
my X for 2 years.
FDX, 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 FDX,
Basically, you could get it for free. Just because I
DCP,
could trade in my
DCP,
iPhone
DCP,
X in
WFC,
great condition. Had it in a case since I got it with the screen protector.
XOM,
No cracks, no scratches, nothing like that.
FDX,
So I get a
FDX,
full value on that for
FDX.
$440. That shaves $440 off. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a new line, cancel this
Gold.
one since it's paid off. That actually knocks it down $700, and I have $100 in Verizon rewards. So
Save.
really, I'm getting the $800 off. It's a fucking steal, man. I only have like to pay $300 up front, and it's paid off. IBM is still going. That's crazy.
DKNG, 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 DKNG.
All right. Oh shit. If anybody got into DraftKings on that bounce, fucking hoorah.
HYLN, HYLN. PYPL, PYPL, DKNG, PYPL, PYPL, PYPL.
That's PayPal. I like PayPal.
WKHS. PYPL, 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 PYPL. PYPL, 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 TSLA, ETR,
Wow, PayPal, that's fucking crazy. I think we see the same thing Tesla.
FTSLA, FTX,
I was a huge fan on Tesla. I know you guys like Tesla, so I'll go ahead and go back to that. Nice candle.
AXP, AXP, AXP. AXP, 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 DD, AXP, AXP, DDD, DD.
A lot of you guys also ask me how do I deal with my emotions. Literally, the easiest thing I do sometimes is while I have these charts, what I could do is just, for example, I want to get the top alert for when we break out right here. I add my alert.
EPR.
Got the alert set.
EPR.
Now for the fun part, either go on Amazon. I'm doing all my Christmas shopping right now. That means why wouldn't you? It's Black Friday. You can see everything I was looking at. Spent 2 hours looking at new wallets. But the biggest thing I do is Amazon Prime Video. And I've just been watching Suits lately. I'm on season 5 right now, I think.
IBR.
Yep, season 5, episode 4. Pretty good show. I like it. It's intense. Basically the law version of Grey's Anatomy. Could learn some pretty cool medical shit watching Grey's Anatomy. You could learn some pretty cool stuff about the law watching Suits.
EPR.
Whoops. Hey, when I do that.
DLTR. DLTR. HYLN, BLDP. BLDP. BAC. BBY.
Someone else also recommended Yellowstone to me. I don't know if it was you, if you already recommended it to me. But I remember somebody recommending Yellowstone to me. What's it about again, though? I forgot. Because if it was you, I remember we were talking about some shows, and you said it was Yellowstone was similar to that show. Oh, no. My girl's sister
LA.
was telling me about Yellowstone. It's like some old type Western type show, right? Like cowboys and shit, right? Or am I wrong?
DP.
Shit, say less. Is it like is it kind of like a territorial, like a takeover type
BBY.
show though, since it's about a shit ton of land, about a family? Because I kind of do enjoy watching those shows.
FSLR.
The last show I saw like
FSLR.
that was Queen of the South. I don't know. I just always like the whole turf type shit. Say less.
LB.
Say less. Because me
IBM.
and my girl normally watch, like binge watch over the weekend, but we've kind of run out of stuff to watch, and we kind of resulted to watching Steve Harvey. So an hour and a half?
MGM.
What? Sheesh, that's a whole ass movie, man.
RCL.
It was longer than some movies.
FSLR. 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 TSLA. TSLA.
Say less
TSLA.
though.
TSLA. 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 VLO. XPEV. Mar.
There goes Boeing rejections right at that support we were talking about. So we'll see what happens here. I think it rejects. But some to see the hype behind the RSR. Shit. Definitely gonna wait. If I can get back in around 30, that'd be pretty nice on stock. But we'll see what happens.
YPL, PYPL, 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 PYPL,
Well,
PYPL,
Boeing just flushed.
PYPL,
Thank God I
PYPL.
waited. Hey, Pen, you fucking sneaky snake. Look at that. What a beautiful zone, dude. Look at those bounces.
Pen,
Sheesh.
pen, pen, pen,
God dang, son.
pen, 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 pen,
That's what I call diamond hands.
pen, pen, RCL, pen, BAC,
What made it so easy for me to diamond hand that is I had a trade
pen,
plan.
safe,
You know what I mean? I charted it out. I got the
pen,
consolidation zone, the demand zone that we needed to turn to the supply
KR,
zone. You know what I mean? We got the bounce off the 200 on the 5 minute and overall 15 minute. You know what I mean? There was nothing. There was nothing concerning on the 15 minute compared to how scary that 1 minute looked. You know what I mean? Just looking at multiple time frames. What it's about.
PYPL, PYPL, PYPL,
Kind of starting to look like it's approaching that overbought zone though.
PYPL,
I'm not crazy about that.
PYPL, PYPL, PYPL,
I think I could write this out for 100%.
PYPL, 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 NKLA, FB, FMRK, FSLR.
Yeah, people have been going crazy today. I think all banks are going crazy today, to be honest. I was looking at them at pre-market, and some of them have some pretty nice gaps.
HYLN V FB 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 V FSLR V
I'm a fucking
FB
idiot. Could have just done this.
FB 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 V V V
Yeah, see, the financial sector is killing
V.
it today, man.
DCP
Wow.
V V V V V V
Qs are popping off.
AAPL
By the way, Qs is
AAPL
specifically
AAPL
dedicated to
AAPL
tech.
V
Just keep that in mind if you're ever trading that.
AAPL
Yeah, Uber was good today too. I caught it this morning on the flow,
IBM
but I didn't want to pursue it with that candle. I should have kept it up though. Would have been solid. I would continue writing it out, to be honest. You could probably write her out.
AAPL AAPL
You could write her out for a while.
Pen
Oh yeah, you could write her out for a minute.
QCOM
I would just be cautious at
Pen.
trailing stops or use support levels, as stop losses. Like I'd probably move my stop loss to 51.40.
CZR Pen
That's just me,
CZR
though, you know what I mean?
CZR
That's just how I like to trade.
Pen CZR CZR
Let's go pen.
V
Let's go crypto.
CZR
Get that 500. 19,500.
NKLA
Holy shit, that was killing it. If you guys are looking for green stocks to trade, look at the Dow 30. If you guys don't have a watch list with the 30 stocks in Dow, if you guys don't have a watch list for Dow 30, I don't know what you're doing. You need to make one. Same with Nasdaq 100. I used to have one for the S&P, but I'm not going to remake it just because that was a pain in the ass. That was a real pain in the ass. I'm going to go ahead and have my trailing stop on pen now. Actually, I kind of want to see what happens. That 1 minute kind of seems like it's going for a heavy pullback. I'll wait for this 15-minute close. Yeah, late December contract for Uber, that's pretty solid, actually. I would just be careful with that with everything locking down again, you know what I mean?
CZR NKLA DCP NKLA
Only gonna be streaming for a little bit longer, so I could take a fucking nap.
DLTR XPDV
I want to see Penn hit that 75.92, but most importantly, I want to see this string to support
RKT
that.
CZR XCZR
What I need. And then this one looks so funky.
RTX CZR RTX DCP CZR RTX FDX RTX NKLA 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 DX FDX NKLA NKLA Uber
Oh shit, you know you're tired when, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but like when your eyes start to fucking water on their own. Just chilling and out of nowhere you start getting the water work. Bro, what the fuck is up with NKLA?
NKLA
I don't know. I'm not gonna trade you, I really don't care.
Uber How UPS AGNC ECP DCP
AAL bounce?
DCP
That wasn't even English, but the AAL bounce? Shit, bro, I should have kept my eye on it, dude. I got the alerts and everything. Just to double check, I haven't missed any alerts. Oh. Active.
BVY
Yeah, I missed AAL. Could get a swing on it though. I'm gonna wait till EOD just because I want to see what they'll do.
PYPL
We'll give Penn the benefit of the doubt right here on this last 11-minute candle. You want to see me go through setting my alerts? We could do that really quick, bro. I mean, I have no problem doing it, to be honest. It's just, I do it
MDT
really fast. So basically how I start off
CZR
is,
CZR
oh, probably.
RKT MDT
So
CZR
basically what I do is I start off on the daily and I look for patterns. So for example, right here what I noticed
MDT
was this trend line. I want to get in on that.
MDT
Well, we already
MDT
in, and I just set my
MDT
alert, chart it, 4 hour. But let's say for example, let's go ahead and actually go back to my options watch list.
CZR
Basically
CZR,
everything I go through. So for example, right here, I already should be in the AAL club. I'm gonna wait to EOD, but just in case I do miss something,
CNK
CNK
CZR
let's go over here.
CNK
I really don't care what it says most of the time. I just care that I get the alert. That's set. I move on. I don't know if I have one on this, but we'll go ahead and check. Yep, I already have one on Apple.
FB
AMD, I need one right here. I think I already have one right here. I don't, so create. What is this? Amazon? Amazon's looking better to get a possible early entry. Just because right away I see this downtrend right here. But then down here I see this as well.
HYLN MAR CZR XPEV.
So what I'll do is got that set up, add alert.
CNK.
Got it on the 4 hour. Cool. Next. Algo's looking good to go long, but I'm not looking to make that trade, so we'll pass on that. Boeing's a fucking crazy stock, but I actually like the way it's setting up like that. Can be some ugly ass double top though right there. Don't like none of this, none of these, none of this. I do like this. We're already in this position anyways. Don't like none of this. Don't like any of this. Ooh, actually, what do we got here? So we're gonna go ahead and get this art just so you guys can see what I'm looking at. Right away, we got this cup right here. Yes, sir. And then we have our handle. Yes, sir. So now I need to find the entry on it. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's right here, considering the rejection we have here and here. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and mark my line, Alt H. Make sure I select it, and boom, my alert is set. But what I like to do is I'm already in a crimp trade, but I like to flag them. So if you see, I have different colors right here. Green is trades that are ready to go or positions I'm already in. Sorry, positions I'm already in. Actually, I can remove some of these. So we took profit on Roku, so I don't need that one in here anymore. I was looking to get into Nike today, actually. Let me go ahead and look at that. Nope. Nope. These obviously didn't happen, so I'll go ahead and unflag all these.
BLDPX.
We even got out of stone. We actually just got into win, so we'll hold that. So you look at that, it's already at 100. I'll go ahead and move this one back to orange. Orange is my list of stocks that are ready to go. To look out for entry on. Purple list is a list of stocks I'm waiting for setups to happen.
TSLA,
TSLA,
TSLA, TSLA, TSLA,
you know what I mean to me? It's just my system.
TSLA,
It's what works for me.
TSLA,
Most importantly, it's efficient.
CZR, CZR.
Because really, that's what it all comes down to. It's what it's all about is efficiency. Ooh. Fuck, I need to eat something now.
C.
Yeah, I got you, man. Anytime. I keep no secrets unless I legally have to. Yeah, I definitely need a bowl of greens. No, I really do need to start eating better though. I haven't eaten in the past last, what is it, 16, 18 hours. I've been up all night.
FSLY, 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 XOM, BVY, FSLY, XOM.
I don't like the way Fastly's trading at 75 as a resistance. Way too close to the consolidation zone.
XOM, XPEV, 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 NKLA, ADB. NKLA. NKLA, CZR. SPWR, 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 SPWR. ENPH, SPWR.
Alright, this shit has definitely slowed down a lot, but I do gotta start a one-on-one here in 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and head out, get some coffee, get some breakfast, and then take a pretty decent nap. I already got my stop loss set at break even from the first trim on this. But I'm thinking about swinging it. But the levels you're gonna want to watch is this is resistance right here. Intraday is at 75. What we're gonna want to see happen is this level right here turn to support that it's currently doing right now. And then as far as trend line goes,
BHC, BHC. Guild.
want to see that hold. And we should be straight. But
Guild.
honestly, I think what we're going to end up doing is consolidating
EPR.
into this triangle and breaking
EPR,
out.
BP.
But hopefully you guys got some valuable information
EPR,
or learned something
EPR,
helpful
EPR.
to improve your
BHC.
trading out of this live trading session. If you guys want me to continue doing these weekly again,
BHC, EPR,
just go ahead and let me know. If you
BHC.
guys have any questions in general, just shoot me a
BHC.
DM. Don't ping me in the chat because I probably won't
MS.
see it for another hour, truth be told.
BBY.
I try to stay out of
EPR,
there just because there's a lot of
EPR.
controversial opinions going back and forth.
EPR,
And it creates a lot of chaos in my
EPR.
head for me to try and process
MS.
what's actually going on. But without a doubt, this is looking like it's going to pull back all the way to VWAP or possibly 7337. But we'll see what happens. Like I said, just pay attention to the levels. VWAP is a strong indicator to use as well to look for those bounce backs. But thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have any questions, shoot me a DM. Don't ping me. I won't see it. And as always, happy trading, and hopefully you guys were able to make some money off of that BABA and Penn play. Other than that, have a great rest of your trading day.
RKT.